So here's your two-step problems, homework 5. This is going to be the in-class part. If you're really, really comfortable with this, you can actually just pause the video and go ahead and tackle this on your own, problem 1 and 2. And then if you want to just skip forward and check your work afterwards, you can do that. If you're a little less comfortable and you want to do this with me, that's completely fine as well. I'm not going to go over it in super detail because I do want you to try to tackle it independently, but you can choose what you want to do to support your own comfort level. So anyway, make sure you always pay attention to the directions, write the operations above each hint word. So above, remember, you're going to do things like this. Okay, so continue that for that section, and then we're going to head down here. Okay, all right, so directions, show your work, and solve. So we have 2 things. Make sure you mark both of those. There were 6 buckets of rocks. Buckets to me sounds like, see if you can fill in the blank. Yes, groups. Each bucket had 4 black rocks and, hint word, 3 white rocks, blank and blank. It also says each bucket. That's sort of like in each group is that, which a lot of times we're dealing with multiplication then. Here's your question. How many rocks total? So we don't know the total, so each definitely means multiply. All right, make sure you break your section into 2. I can tell that I need to add and multiply. So we can't do 6 times 4 and 3, so we need to add first and then multiply. Make sure when you do this that you label. So this is 4 black, this is 3 white, and so this is 7 black and white rocks. Okay, then we can go ahead and do our multiplication. So we have 6 times 7. 6 times 7, you can use your calculator, or if you know that it's 42, voila. All right, make sure you put a label here though, because this is 42 rocks. Okay, how many rocks were there total? You should be writing there were 42 rocks total. All right, on to number 2. Harper and Lila decide to put their pumpkin collection together. Oh, good job to you. Harper collected 14 pumpkins and Lila collected 10. Ah, I see the word and again. I'm going to leash those 2 numbers because it seems like we need to join them, because then they decide to share equally with 4 friends. And I know share means division, and friends are probably groups here. So here's my question. Let's bracket it. How many pumpkins did each friend get? We're wondering how many are in each group. Okay, so it's obviously a 2-step problem. I have addition and division. We're going to add first and then divide. So let's go ahead and add up the 14 pumpkins plus the 10, and we get 24. Let's label it 24 pumpkins. And then we're going to go ahead and share those pumpkins now. So 24 divided by the 4 friends equals 6 pumpkins. We know it's IEG, or for each friend. Okay, and then we need to answer the question here. So how many pumpkins did each friend get? Each friend got 6 pumpkins. All right, so make sure you have everything that I have. If you do, then go ahead and flip to your 2-step test practice. This is going to be on the link for you to check your work afterwards. I do want you to do this completely independently and then check your work afterwards. If you're really stuck, just skip something, and then when you check your work, you can fill in what you weren't sure about. There will be a secret video word at some point, so pay attention to that. This is homework, and you'll bring that to school the next day.